Drive It Wizard DVW Testimonial, Carl Hein. Take one.
Hi, my name is Carl Hein, and I am a franchisee, and I'm located in Minneapolis, St. Paul area in Minnesota. I had a lot of different jobs over my career, but mostly construction, and in the last 20 years I was in logistics for Domino's Pizza Corporation, so a franchise. So. Well, I wanted to be in business for myself, and I know I didn't have the skill set for being an entrepreneur, and so I decided that I think the best chance of success would be buying a franchise with a working business model, and I certainly could follow that. I'm capable of that, so that's why I did it. I do what I can on my side, and all they do is augment what I do. So I think a lot of the responsibility is my own, but they do help with booking jobs and equipment updates, techniques to do what I do. We keep on the cutting edge. Plus, I have people that if I have questions on marketing, questions for what kind of equipment I would use, or insurance issues, or anything that you would come across in business, I have someone to go to. Takes the pressure off of me for scheduling. I do some scheduling myself, but also I use the call center to help me with the scheduling, and it gives me more time to do what I need to be doing in marketing and scheduling specific tasks to specific techs, with their strengths and weaknesses. I can help them. I can divide that up because I know them better. But as far as collecting the jobs, getting them on the schedule, answering the calls, fielding the customers, the call center does a great job for me. For myself and my family, I have more time at home. I was away from home working. I was be out overnight. I sleep in my own bed every night, which is, for me, in my situation, it was a huge improvement in lifestyle. Also, I have more than doubled my income with Drive It Wizard. I was making pretty good living before, but now I'm even better. And for the future, I have plans to expand and grow my business and back out of doing a lot of the work. I have a plan for less hands-on, as long as I can model that, the hands-on. So. That's how that's done.
Clint is out.
Yep, Carl Hein is out.